don't know why, but it's been over a year since I've picked up my watercolors. The other day, I only had about 20 minutes and really just wanted to paint for the sheer enjoyment of it. I didn't want to drag out the acrylics or the oils or even sit at the easel in the studio. I just wanted to hang out at my kitchen table, look out the window, and let some paint flow. I had completely forgotten what a rush and joy it is to see watercolors as they explode on the paper and blend so magically. I decided to paint these beautiful hydrangea a friend had given me. I penciled in a loose sketch and then proceeded to have a blast. I used pure black with a ton of water to get the outline of the vase. It was so magical to watch that vase just appear on the white paper, and I left a lot of the white of the paper. Touching those hydrangea colors together was so much fun as well. And wow, adding the lights and darks to the stems and watching them bleed a little into the glass area, my goodness, it was exciting. Why have I waited so long? I also like that watercolor takes so few supplies, so little space, and gosh, cleanup is within seconds. I like using watercolor paper that's made into a block, so I don't even have to tape my paper down. I just use a kitchen knife to gently separate the top sheet when I'm finished. Once you tear off the sheet, it's super flat on both sides. You don't have to worry about it buckling. It's a very satisfactory way to paint with watercolors. What a great painting day. If you're interested in seeing some real-time instruction, I encourage you to go to my website where I have a wide variety of courses and shorter tutorials on a variety of subjects, all very inexpensively priced. The link is in the description box below this video. And as always, I sure do appreciate a thumbs up. And if you hit subscribe, you won't miss the next free video that's coming out soon. Thanks so much. God bless.